Hey guys, it's Jack here with 3D Everything.
They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's messing me out. They telling me they know what's best.
So, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Monoprice Select Mini V2. Now, I've had this printer for about a year. It's great. It's had a couple little problems, but I'll address those in a video later and how to solve them. Overall, great little machine for $220, I believe. I'll put the price somewhere on screen. You can probably just go to Amazon and get it currently. I would have rather had the black, but they didn't have that at the time, so. But it comes in black and white. There's a pro version, so you don't have to level the bed, and it's got some extra features to it. Touchscreen. But I'm gonna show you what you get in the box now. So, when your printer arrives, it'll show up in a box like this. It'll say Monoprice on the top. Open it on that side. You open it. You get this nice big foam insert. It'll come out in one piece for you because, you know, your printer's inside. Keep the foam and the box in case you have to send it in for servicing, but for now, get those out of the way. And the box. So inside the box, you'll get some smaller boxes, one like this, and one like this. So this box will have this spatula, which is garbage. Keep it, but it'll have this little Allen key for leveling the bed. That's pretty good. Keep that. You'll have this micro SD card. This one does not work. Do not download Cura from this. Download it from Cura's website. So throw this. This box. You get your power cables. Take this off. If you don't take that off, it won't work, and then you'll be in the comments, my printer doesn't work, my printer doesn't work. Take that off. Plug it together just like this. Get the boxes out of the way. Keep this is useful. We'll have some manuals on top and a quick start guide, and thank you for it. Very important. I've been still learning things from this manual because I didn't bother to read it at first. Keep it. Things you'll need to pick up for the printer. A little card reader like this. USB to full size. This just came with my camera, so good for that. An actual micro SD card that does not suck. This does not. This is great. Maybe a little too much. It doesn't read most of it. It reads like 1.5 gigabytes of it, and it's 32 gigabytes. I'm gonna get a smaller one eventually. Tweezers, good quality tweezers. Go to the modeling store or something like that so you can buy some precision tweezers. Get those. Angle snips, needed. And as soon as you get it up and running, print one of these. Just do it, it's better. It's better than the garbage one that came with it. Overall, print quality is pretty good once you get it dialed in. I made these snowball molds. Pretty good. Pretty good, honestly. This is also pretty good. And this little fillet gauge came out nicely. I think it works pretty good, honestly. I use it for what I need to use it for. Overall, for a beginner printer, pretty good. Pretty good. If you're looking to step up something a little more advanced, you might want to get one of their Pro Series printers. They're like $350, a little bit bigger, a little bit nicer. And one thing to not forget when you get your printer. Get a spool of filament. Big deal, big deal. It comes with like 1.5 meters, and it's barely enough to get your first test print done, which is like a little cat. I personally buy filament from Micro Center because it's like $14 a kilogram. If you buy it from Amazon Basics or anywhere else, it's like $20 to $30 a kilogram, and it's not worth it. Buy this. It's just as good as everything else, and it works fine. So, in conclusion to the review, if I was to be recommending a printer to a beginner or anybody like that, if you want a good machine for your money, I would get this. It's worked great for a year. There's a great community around it. They can basically help you solve any problem you have with it. The manufacturer, they will help you solve problems. There's a bunch of mods that you can do to it. I've added a filament guide and some bearing filament holders so it's not as loud. It's just a great printer overall if you want to make smaller things. If you want to make bigger things, you can just cut them up in Mesh Mixer, and you can just put them on and glue them together. This is about as big as you can do, printing like this. But overall, good printer for its price. As always, if you like the content of my channel, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And have a fantastic time printing. Bye!